Hi everybody, welcome to another render demo how to draw video tutorial. Today we're going to be drawing a unicorn head and I'm here with Cora. You ready to get started? Okay, so here we go. We're going to start, we're going to have our unicorn facing to the left. So we're going to start almost about in the halfway of the page and we're going to go over like this and then we're going to draw kind of like this round shape. Okay, and then here for the lower part, so we're going to come this way, and then we're going to come back down like that. Okay, and then we're going to do the neck part, the front part of the neck. So we're going to come this way, like something like that. Okay, now let's draw the eye. So we're going to draw an eye right about here. So we're going to draw a nice, good sized circle. Okay. And then inside of the eye, we're going to do a large circle and then a smaller one. And if you can fit it, we're going to draw like almost like a moon shape with some little, that's okay. With some little shapes like that. It all depends on how big your eye is.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm doing the baby one.
All right, now for the front part of the mouth area, we're gonna go right about here and we're gonna draw kind of like a little S kind of shape like that, a soft S shape. Okay, and then we'll do a nose and we can fill that in with black. Okay, now let's do the ear. So we're gonna come about here and we're gonna go up and then we're gonna curl back like that. And then we're gonna do a smaller or a little bit closer to that edge. And on this side, it's gonna be farther from the edge.
These are a little big cheek.
That's all right. Okay, now for the hair, we're gonna start up here and I'm gonna come and hook this way and then I'm gonna hook back like that. Okay, then we're gonna continue this lower piece almost like it goes through the ear. Okay, and we're gonna come down and we're gonna do the same for this part up here. We're gonna come like this. Yep, and then we're gonna do this like, we're gonna connect them with a little bit of a curve like that. And then we'll round almost like a little donut shape.
Just
like that. Okay. Then we're gonna continue this hair piece like this and we're gonna curl this way. And it's gonna come back up almost halfway where your donut is. Yep. And then on this side, we'll start over here and I'm gonna come out and then we're gonna hook like that up here. Start up here where the donut is. Up over there, yeah. So come out and hook like that. Yep. And then you can do like this. There you go, that's it, perfect. Good save. Okay, now we're gonna do one larger shape right here. So we'll start here and we're gonna stop about here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do almost like a S again. Yep, and then over here, we're just gonna go all the way up. Okay, we're gonna do another piece and we're gonna stop it here. So if you go here and then maybe halfway along this line, we're gonna come and curl another one this way and we're gonna come back there. Yep, and then the last one's a big one. We're gonna go all the way from here and then we're gonna connect it all the way over there. And so let's start over here first. We'll come out, we'll go in like that, little fish hook at the bottom. Yep, and then this one here is gonna come down and connect like that. All the way up. There you go, perfect. And then for the bottom, we're gonna take this right here on, and we're gonna come across like that. Okay, there we go. Now, what are we missing for a unicorn? What's that one?
A horn.
The horn. That's right.
Horn,
So now we're going to draw a horn. And it's going to be pointing in this direction here, up that way a little bit, okay? So we're going to start here where the head is. Okay, so you could probably start, I would probably start yours here and there. Okay, you're going to come up and like that. So watch. We're going to go up like this. And then it's going to come back down like that. Okay, and then the horn has these curls in it. So we're going to do these like curves like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, something like that. You can do a few, however many you want.
It looks like an ice cream cone and then like...
It's like an upside down ice cream
melted.
cone. Okay, one other thing. There's the other ear on the other side that we're going to see. So we're going to just draw the little tip of it just like that. And there's the other line, okay? And then I'm going to grab a smaller Sharpie. Okay, so you can use that one, I'll use this one. And what we're gonna do is for the hair, we're gonna put these lines in the middle of the hair. So watch this. In the middle of this one, I'm gonna draw a line like this. And that line's gonna keep going and come through like that. And then we're going to draw a line like this. These don't have to be exactly in the center. You can kind of do some like wavy things like that. We'll do another one here for this big piece. Like that. Okay, and then this one here, I'm going to do it like that off. So it's wider on one side.
I'm gonna do it small.
There you go. And then I'm going to do 2 for this piece because this one's big. So right over here, see where this hook is? I'm going to do yeah, right over here. Yep. So watch this. I'm going to come up and go over here.
This is a one
So you're gonna come over
piece
there.
of hair.
Yep. And then we're going to do another one that comes all the way from like this point. It's going to go all the way like this, and it's going to curve like that. There we go. Perfect.
We just take the horn away, looks like a horse.
That's okay. And then we'll do one more detail. We'll do like this little star. So we're gonna do.
Oh, I know how to do this kind of stuff.
You do?
So you go like this. That.
Yep. There you go. Okay.
Can I do it in the middle?
Sure. Whatever you want to do. And we got one more line. I'm gonna draw it just like this. All right, there we go. Lastly, let's fill in the eyeball. Well, you already did yours. I'm gonna go and fill mine back in here. And then we're gonna start coloring, okay? So you guys can follow along as we color in. We're gonna fast forward and speed up the recording. And you guys can pause it and follow along and try to do what we're doing, okay?
It looks like I'm the baby and you're the mama.
Yeah, you are the baby. Okay, so follow along, guys. We're gonna start to do the marker. Okay, so there's our unicorns fully colored, and we used a couple different pink colors. We had some kind of like a light gray or like a cold gray or warm gray. Then we had some blues, and then we did some rainbow colors in the unicorn's horn. So I hope you guys liked our video tutorial, and subscribe to our channel so you can check out some of our other stuff. So hope you liked it, and we'll see you guys next time. See you later.
Bye.